This is the artistic wire hook and eye findings form. Take a small piece of wire, approximately 4 to 5 inches long, straighten it nicely, cut, and then bend the wire in half, keeping the wires parallel for most of the length and keeping a small circle open at the end. Insert that bent part through these 2 pegs and then insert a small piece of wire and pull against the 2 wires. Carefully, while the wires are parallel, move the wires up around that peg and then around and down to the last peg, and then wrap these 2 around in that motion. So while your hook is still on there, use the plunger to mash the wires down to properly form the hook. Then pull this off and you've got your properly formed hook. You're going to cut, and then those 2 get attached to your piece. A few minor adjustments and your hook is ready to go. For the other part, the eye, straighten the wire again, and this takes about 3 inches of wire. Start in this position, wrap around the bottom peg, then up and around the top peg, and cross back over. Oops, I need to also use the pusher to make those intersections nice and tight. Then hold with the pliers and wrap in a single direction with that piece, and the same for the other one. So you want your loose ends to wrap around the very base, and that creates the eye for your hook and eye finding. And that creates your hook and eye with the artistic wire findings form hook and eye.